Recall activity 4 for the lesson angles and lines. In order not to forget, give 2 points A and B, or given 2 points A and B, how do you draw a line D such that B is the symmetric of A with respect to the line D? So we have 2 points, point A and point B, and we have to draw a line such that B is the symmetric of A with respect to this line. So we have to join A and B first, then we draw the perpendicular bisector of the segment AB. We can draw this perpendicular bisector using the ruler and the set square, or we could use the compass by drawing arcs from the both sides, and then we draw the perpendicular bisector. If x, y, and u, v are two concurrent lines, as we see here, the two lines x, y, and u, v are concurrent or intersecting lines. How can we construct a line D such that UV, the line UV, is the symmetric of XY with respect to the line D? So in this case, as we see here, there is an angle between these two lines, and we have to draw the bisector of the angle, and this bisector is the line of symmetry of these two lines. And how we draw the bisector of the angle? We could use the compass. We draw first an arc, then there is 2 points of intersection, then we use them to draw another 2 arcs that will intersect in a point that belongs to the bisector of the angle. So the arcs will intersect directly on the bisector of this angle, and this bisector of the angle is the line of symmetry or axis of symmetry of the sides of these two angles. If xy and uv are two parallel lines, as we see here, xy and uv are two parallel lines, how can we construct a line D such that UV is the symmetric of XY with respect to the line D? So we have to draw a line D such that XY is, or UV is the symmetric of XY with respect to the line. So the line should be here somewhere in the middle between them. So we could draw it like this way, and the method is to draw a perpendicular for the first line, which is perpendicular to the other one, and then we draw the perpendicular bisector of this segment. Part 4. How many perpendiculars can you draw from a point to one line? So we have a line and a point which is exterior to the line, and the question is how many perpendicular lines we could draw to this line passing through A. So this line, or this line, or this, or this, or this one, so the green one is the only line which is perpendicular to the line XY. So from a point exterior to a line, we can draw one and only one perpendicular to that line.